Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around 67 cents. Now what needs to happen is we need to start moving back up, guys, right? Bitcoin is still consolidating. Again, things are looking quite well. We can't dump lower though. To new lows, right? Obviously. But in today's video, it's all about the riddlers, guys, and how there's a lot of connections. Okay, this is insane stuff. But before we even talk about it, we have to talk about the proof in the damn pudding. First things first, so at least there's some context so people don't think it's all just fake, guys, right? Now, guys, we're starting off on part of XRP and the XRP community. Now, this is quite interesting. 4 things conventionally minded XRP holders won't touch. 1. Bragg Rollinghouse following 589 accounts, and his posts show, or he tweeted about 958 times, right? Then, David Schwartz posts Satoshi's Wave and Ripple design book, right? Third, Wade Ripple, Ember Lumen, Pixar protagonists, the good guys. Interesting, isn't that? Then, fourth, Elon credit on Lodestar game, BG's bearable guys, Lodestar 1, 2, and 3. Even Elon Musk talked about the Lodestar guys, right? I mean, you just at this point, what are the chances of this, right? We already know for a fact Elon 1000% knows about the riddlers. I mean, he even replied under Bragg Rollinghouse's tweet, guys, about the SEC at that point in time. I think he said it. I think he said no way, if I remember correctly. So, how do we know Ripple and XRP are truly the chosen crypto company and digital asset out there, right? Well, we see right here, Ripple's logo was inspired by the golden ratio, hinting that XRP will be gold backed in due time. Now, I don't know about that one, but golden ratio, isn't that interesting, guys, right? So this just means they thought about what symbol they will use, guys, right, for the Ripple logo. That's the Ripple logo. And remember, symbols and such things, guys, hit the subconscious mind. Not to mention, there's probably this type of energy within it as well, within the Ripple company. Then we see for XRP. What about XRP though, right? The triskelion symbolizes the death, or the birth, the death, and the rebirth of XRP, right? The 3-sided logo resembles the interconnectedness between the digital, crypto, and physical world, guys. Now, again, we did talk about the other symbols within the cryptocurrency space, right? XRP won't be the only coin that survives, nor Ripple the company, right? That'll survive the incoming catastrophe. But there will be multiple other things as well, other coins and whatnot, and other crypto companies, obviously. Why? Because we're talking about the internet of value, guys, right? A new financial system and things like that. So, I've been pondering upon this tweet, guys, from David Schwartz, which he posted yesterday, right? He sold 40,000 Ethereum at about $1, and we know XRP is what, close to that dollar range. Wait, what? Right? And that Ethereum was worth over $100 million shortly after, guys. So a lot of people are saying, right, don't sell your XRP, as we see interesting thread and 5 parts at, when did he tweet this, guys? 3:30 p.m. 33. About not selling before time. Take heed. When XRP starts to move, don't panic sell, right? Now, quote, 5 times return after waiting for 5 years, amount of this before it dumps again, end quote. No, be patient. Remember, David gave comms near the top in 2021 as well, right? So, I don't know about that, guys, right? Everyone has their own strategy in place. Me, personally, I have my small trading bag, right, that I'm going to be buying and selling XRP like never before, and as well as my long-term bag, guys, right? 66% will be sold, right? That's just me, though. Everyone has to make their own game plan, right? Now, what's interesting about this is this right here, guys. David Schwartz tried to cryptically tell us not to sell our XRP in one of his recent tweets, and also pointed this picture about a chart in the past. Are we facing a massive XRP chart explosion to the upside, right? Oh, whoa. 3:30 a.m. April 16th, 2020. 3:30. Wait, what? 3:30. I have no idea what LTRPB is, but I sure wish I held some, right? And it skyrocketed to $100 and $113, guys. Now, what is fascinating about David Schwartz, right, is how is he calling everything, right? So is this possibly, is he trying to tell us not to sell? Now, I'm not 100% sure about that, guys, right? I'm definitely going to sell, but a lot of people in the comments are saying they're not going to sell, right? Now, anyone know where I am? To the moon. This was tweeted in the year 2022 on July 13th, guys, 7:33 p.m., right? I replied, bottom in, right? The bottom is in, guys. David signals. Remember when David warned us at $2 XRP? Yeah. There we go, right? So my question is, how does he keep getting things right and right and right? Right? And then he says this now. I don't know, right? Something seems a little bit fishy here. But December is the month to remember. Hello, December. Right? There's a lot of things that's been happening in December. Oh wow, guys. 12/16, Skills and Justice, right? People are shocked in the month of December. But why? Here we go, guys. Har Moon now comes into play, right? This is the month where all these riddlers are getting activated again. Interesting, right? Fascinating. Especially even David Schwartz talking about a missed opportunity of $100 million, guys, right? And by the way, what's crazy is no one else would post or say such a thing, right? Because they'll feel embarrassed. But David Schwartz isn't, right? But why? Now, I wanted to point out, I know I'm forgetting a few things, guys, but this was more cryptic in a way, right? When David Schwartz warned us about the top at $2, guys, for XRP, that was literally in plain sight, right? In plain English. But this was a little bit more cryptic to the moon. The bottom was in a month earlier or so. Now, from Har Moon, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and then 3, 2, 1. So it's like a loop, right? That keeps on going on. But what's this about? His 96th tweet seems significant. 22.2. Some people are commenting how much longer, right? They're tired. But if they invested purely because of the riddles, guys, right, or the riddlers, I mean, they themselves stated it's just purely for entertainment, right? When I invested into XRP, I think I bought Bitcoin, then bought XRP with it, because I don't think you could have bought back then on Coinbase just purely XRP, guys. I had to exchange it for XRP, but I bought it in around Christmas time of 2017, right? And I had no clue about anything about the riddlers. I found them like 2 years later or so, guys, right? Like in 2019. Why did I buy XRP? Well, because of the utility portion, right? It was a long time. It was like a long-term play for me, right? For the events to unfold. But that's just me. I don't know about anybody else. Now, on 12/9, Har Moon said 3, 2, 1, right? 3 days from now equals 12/12. Whoa. Isn't that interesting, guys, right? 12/12, because Mr. Pool, are you ready? Timestamp 444. Beetlejuice Eclipse on December 11th in United States of America and 12th in Europe/Africa, right? Meaning is Lion, week 44. So in the Chinese calendar, guys, right? Chinese lunar, week 44 is next week as well, right? Week 44, which Mr. Pool told us to pay attention towards. So what's going on here, guys, right? Now that's 100% what they're pointing towards. This type of eclipse. 12/12/23, 3/3/23. 1 + 2 is 3. 1 + 2 is 3. So 3, 3, and then 2, 3. Wait, what? Because for Mr. Pool, 3/3/23. Wait, what? The Pool bio header is a globe with arrow going through, right? Like Sagittarius. It's also the new moon, also always followed by a silver moon, What if the eclipse pool referred to was never the moon or sun? Wow. That's interesting, guys. Right. So that's what's happening next week. And I know for a fact this is super significant for the Riddlers. I don't know about you guys or me, myself, but this is super significant for them, guys, right? Because they love discern eclipses. And by the way, guys, I think tonight or today I had a dream about Beetlejuice as well, right? This incoming eclipse. It wasn't. It was probably because I was looking at these tweets yesterday, right? At all these tweets, so it probably hit my subconscious. But I'm not sure. I had it. I think if I remember quickly, I know I did. But which is weird. From Archie as well, right? An eclipse. How many times did Mr. Poole point towards this? Now my question is, how the hell did Mr. Poole know this was going to happen next week, right? On this specific date. That's how. 16th is here a week from today, right? 12, 16, 20, 20, 1, 2, and 3 as well. 1, 2, and 3. Then we see from Tony Valentino, right? They're all coming activated, guys. Becoming active, right? A gavel. Again, people are saying some type of possibly settlements and whatnot. We are close to that settlement. I can feel it in my bones from Ripple and Wills, right? But then he got a like from Har Moon, guys, so maybe he is right? In case you missed it, first YouTube video dropped today, all about BearBullGuy123's Twitter accounts, right? As we see, when a fuzzy bear likes your tweets or your YouTube videos as well, I know I'm right over the target now. The best is yet to come. See if I can scoop another like before 2024, right? So it seems like the Riddlers are liking his videos, which is fascinating. So maybe he did crack the code, right? But if you go up here, check this out. 140, right? The timestamp is 140. 140 will connect to what? The heart from BearBullGuy123, right? Or 4-1, which is April 1st. I think it's quite possible it's at the very least a nod to this latest video, where Ripples in Wales, I think correctly speculates that regulations are coming this month, and that XRP starts its rise. Whoa, right? I was watching a little bit of this because I was like, maybe he did crack it, guys.
Be forced to classify them. So that's a thing to watch out for. So Regs is a thing, right? Now stablecoins are going to become the currency, the new money. That's it. Okay, these cryptos are going to be software. There is no money. The only monies that are going to be allowed and permitted are things like CDBCs, right, and stablecoins. And the rest, you're going to have a small category, in my humble opinion, of settlement assets or settlement currencies, such as XRP, maybe XLM, and some other things. The rest of it is software, okay? And that's how it's going to be classified. It's going to be butchered up, and then you're going to have, Bitcoin will probably stay as a currency. Bitcoin Cash will be a currency. Litecoin will be classed as some sort of currency.
So what do we think, right? There will be multiple coins on the horizon, but it seems like regulations imminent this month. I don't know, guys. That would be insane, wouldn't it? I was thinking regulations for this space will be right around the collapse. That was my opinion. And I don't see the collapse happening this month, right? So I don't know. Mr. Pool 12.9 Delta, as we see right here, all these connections, guys, right? Beware, stimulus money, as you guys can see, right? People acting, having multiple different faces. Funny how Riddlers are active on 12.9. May, September, which is 9. Shine like gold on December, which is 12, the 12th month, right? 12.9. Wow. Oh, wow. That's insane. XRP is exactly 5 days. Could it be? I don't know. These people are predicting it, guys, right? The decoders. Remember, next week is the week when we are happy. Also remember 12.3 or 12.13 equal 10.31 Lunar Halloween, right? Wow, a lot of connections actually, a lot. Now, if I found for today's video comes from Papa Cooks. I just wanted to point out, guys, just remember there are fake accounts, right, of everyone, even probably me, on Twitter and everywhere. So just be very careful, guys, right? Beware, because we are in the bull run and they're trying to catch people off guard at this point in time. Don't fall for anything, guys, right? We're heading towards new heights. This next year, 2025, let us wait and see. Who knows? But not financial advice. What is that? So, amazing. See ya.